to show you how to do the Tunisian smock stitch. You can use the Tunisian crochet hook if you want to, but I'm just going to be using a regular crochet hook because the square that I'm planning on making is not that big. So to start out, you're going to need a slip knot and then just a foundation chain. I'm going to be chaining 10. Now that we have our chain, we first need to do a row of Tunisian simple stitches. If you're not sure how to do Tunisian simple stitch, you can watch this video here. Okay, so we're just gonna do Tunisian simple stitches and we're going to bring up the loop in the back bump of our chain. That way we just get a nice edge to our square. Okay, so now we have all of the loops on our hook from the Tunisian simple stitch. Now we'll just do a return pass like normal, yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over, pull through 2, all the way till you have 1 loop left on our hook. Okay, so now we have our initial row of the Tunisian simple stitch. So now we're going to smock stitch. So the very first round of the smock stitch, we're first going to Tunisian simple stitch 2 stitches together. With what that looks like is you're going to insert your hook under 2 simple stitches. So the next 2, you're going to insert your hook underneath both vertical bars, and then you're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. So now you should have crocheted those 2 loops together. Next, you're gonna yarn under. So you want the yarn under your hook, and we're gonna hold it there with our index finger. And then we're going to Tunisian simple stitch 2 together once again, leaving our finger here. This is going to be counted as a stitch. So we're gonna go under the next 2, keeping our finger here, yarn over, pull through 2, and now you should have 4 loops on your hook. And then you're gonna yarn over, under again, keep your index finger on there, Tunisian simple stitch 2 together, keeping your finger there, yarn over, pull through 2, and now we should have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Under, hold it, go underneath the 2 vertical bars, pull up a loop, and then you're gonna yarn under, and then we're gonna go into the last stitch. So now let's you wanna double check that you have the right amount here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you're gonna return pass like normal. So yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over, pull through 2 across. All right, so there you go, our first row of Tunisian smock stitches. So for the second row of Tunisian smock, we're first just gonna do a normal Tunisian simple stitch. So insert your hook underneath the vertical bar, yarn over, pull up, and then we're going to Tunisian simple stitch 2 together. So make sure you see which one that is. You're gonna go under this one and this one. Yarn under, pull up a loop, and it should be opposite from what you did the last round. And then we're gonna yarn under, hold it there, simple stitch 2 together once more, yarn under, hold it there, simple stitch 2 together, then we're gonna yarn under, and then once we get to 2 stitches at the very end, you're going to just Tunisian simple stitch in the second to last one, and then just Tunisian simple stitch in the last stitch like normal. And then return pass as always. Pull through 1, pull through 2 across. And there you have it. That is Tunisian smock stitch. I'll do a couple more rows so you can get the full effect of what it should look like. So that is what Tunisian smock stitch looks like. I will do, and the way to finish this off is you can just do a simple slip stitch across. So we're gonna insert underneath, yarn over, pull through everything, and just go across all of the stitches. Into the very last stitch, and there you go. So that is Tunisian Smock stitch. Thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to test out this pattern, you can try out my headband pattern. Thanks for watching!